When you first get your phones, the first thing you have to do is set up your voicemail. There's three things you have to take care of. The first one's going to be your name. The second one's going to be your unavailable greeting. Your unavailable greeting is actually your default greeting, so that's really important. And the last one is to change your password. All phones come with the default password, the same as their extension. So the phone we're going to use in today is right here, 2000. His extension is 2000, you can see that. And this one right here, his extension is 2002. So 2002's password will be 2002. 2000's password will be 2000. And also, as well as 2000 is actually your main voicemail greeting for the company by default, unless we change that. So this is really important you get 2000 set up properly. So I'm going to go through this rather quickly. In order to access your voicemail, you're going to use the envelope. As you can see, the envelope button here and the envelope button on this guy here. First thing I'm going to set up is our name. When we set up our name, we're going to basically press this button right here. It's going to ask us for a password, which will be 2000. And then we're just going to press 03, speaker message, pound, then 1. Sounds like a lot. I'll display it on the screen. Let's go ahead and do this here.
Password.
2000.
You have no messages.
03.
Press after the tone, say your name, and then press the pound key.
Brandon Schultz.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this record. Your message has been saved.
And that's all there is to it for setting up the name. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to record our unavailable greeting. Our unavailable greeting will be the envelope again, our password, which will be 2000, 2000, and then it's going to be 15, 15. We're going to speak our unavailable greeting, then we'll press pound to end and 1 to accept it. Let's go ahead and do this.
Password. You have no messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for
01.
After the tone, say your unavailable message and then press the pound key.
This is a sample unavailable message. Please leave your name and number and we will get back to you as soon as we can.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this
1 to
recording.
accept it.
Press 2. Your message has been saved.
Alright, now the last thing we need to change is going to be our password. Changing the password is very important. Like I said, everybody's default password is their extension, 2000, 2000. So we don't want just anybody just hopping in here and getting a hold of the messages and deleting something out they're not supposed to. So let's go ahead and just change that, change our password. I'm going to change it in this case just to 2525. So the key sequence will be envelope, current password, which is going to be 2000, and then it'll be 05, and then we'll put our new password, 2525, then pound, then again 2525, then pound, and that'll be it. So let's go ahead and do this.
Password. You have no
05.
messages. Press, please enter your new password followed by the pound key.
2525, pound.
Please re-enter your password followed by the pound key.
2525, pound.
Your passwords have been changed. Press 1 to record your unavailable.
Alright, let's go ahead and test everything to make sure everything works. I'm going to use this phone right here to call this phone right here. So we're going to call 2000 or 2002 to 2001 to test this guy out to make sure it works. Let's go ahead and call him. I'm going to reject the phone call just so it goes directly to voicemail. This is a sample unavailable message. Please leave your name and number and we will get back to you as soon as we can.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
This is a sample message, sample test message. I'm going to go ahead and hang up now or press the pound key.
Thank you.
Immediately, this guy, as you notice, the envelope's flashing, telling me I have a message as well. As well as the history, you notice there's a little 1 right here. That simply means that if you hit that, you'll see where it came from. So let's go ahead and check it and make sure that our password worked. We're going to press the envelope.
Password.
2525.
You have 1 new message. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2
We'll press
to
1.
change full first. Message received at 8:55 p.m.
This is a sample message, sample test message. I'm going to go ahead and hang up now or press the pound.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5
We're gonna press
to
7
the current
to delete.
message deleted. Press
And 6 to
3
check for any
no
more messages.
Press 3 for advanced
And
options.
pound to hang up.
Press goodbye.
We'll put checking the messages in another video, but right now I just want to show you how to set up your voicemail. And that's all I got. Thank you.